Hello guys, I'm going to teach you now how to make this little window in your bracelet in order to make a clasp. You can use it with a toggle. I explained in previous lessons how to make that, or you can put just a normal button there and close it like you close a shirt or jacket, very easy. For that I ask you to make a strip with 16 beads, so it will be even count peyote stitch with 16 beads, and make 6, 7, 8 as much rows as you want. Put a stopper bead, of course. So now you can press the pause and come back to see the rest of the videos, because I'm continuing. So I have my 6 rows. I'm going to add 3 beads, so we are going to work on each side separately. So add 3 beads. Okay, so 3 beads. Now turn your work and add 3 beads going back. Going back 3. Sorry, I pick up the 3 beads. Then turn your work and add again 3 beads. 1, 2, and 3. For a wider hole, bigger hole, higher hole, I don't know how, it depends from what side you are watching, you should make more rows. I will stop here and make just a little window. Now we are going to pass through the beads and exit 1, 2, 3 through this bead here, and add 3 rows on this side. So just pass down through this bead like this, and then through this bead, and start going like this. Okay, I will pass down through the bead where your thread exit, below the bead where your thread exit, then just do this through those 3, from here to the bead down, pull the thread, and now just pass through those beads. 1, 2, 3, there we are. So this thread is really I didn't clean it. Usually I clean my dark FireLine with Scotch-Brite and detergent. So I just pass with the Scotch-Brite through over the thread, and then I'm good. But this time I didn't do it, so this is what's happening. Okay, we are now on the other side. Add 3 beads. So we are going to make 3 rows on the other side. 2, 3. Turn your work. Add again 3. 1, 2, 3, and another one. Turn your work. 1, 2, and up, and 3. And again I took with my thread the corner of the light box. Now we are going to make a connection row. Just add 3 beads again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here we have open side. Keep that in mind. Here we already exit through. It was a closed side, so now it's okay. Now when we came back, how many beads we need to add in order to close this? You can count the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. But we also have to add the 5th bead, because here is the empty side. So we need also bead for this column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because here is the empty space. So pick up 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cannot believe it that I didn't. Oh yeah, I have on the side. I didn't see 4, 4, 5. Pick up 5 and pass through this bead to the first up bead. Okay. Now add 2 beads. Okay, good. Turn your work. Now you're going to work in peyote stitch totally normal, like everything is the same. Okay, so here we have that one, what we have today, and pass through the first bead from the connection. That was that 5th bead. Now pick up 1, skip the next one and pass through the next one, like in normal peyote stitch. Then skip 1, pick up 1 bead and pass through this one, and peyote stitch till the end. And we have it. You can make now more rows if you want over it, because now everything is the same like this. And you have a little, this is a little window. And that's it. This is how you make it. Here I have a wider window, wider hole for on the bracelet. This is just a little piece and just example how you can make it. I'm sure you realize through this little piece how easy that is, and you can use it as on the other side of your clasp for your bracelets in peyote stitch. That's it. See you in the next lesson.